In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bug work item in Azure DevOps, perfect for beginners or anyone who needs a quick reference. Understanding how to navigate and utilize Azure DevOps efficiently is a valuable skill, especially when it comes to managing defects, issues, and errors in your product. Let's begin by exploring what a bug actually is within the Azure DevOps framework. In Azure DevOps Boards, a bug is a specialized type of work item that's designed to track defects and issues that arise during the development process. It's managed similarly to other work items such as user stories and tasks, but with a focus on addressing and resolving defects. You can track its lifecycle, link it to code changes, and associate it with test cases, all which contribute to maintaining a smooth development pipeline. Now that we understand the context, let's walk through how to raise a bug. First, you'll want to open your Azure DevOps project. From there, navigate to the Boards section. Depending on your personal setup, you might find this under Backlogs, Work Items, or simply Boards. Each option is a doorway into managing tasks vital for your team's productivity. Once you're in the correct location, you'll notice a button that typically reads plus new work item, or sometimes just plus new. Clicking this button will give you the option to select a bug, or perhaps a specific bug work item type that your team uses. It's essential to pick the correct one to ensure seamless integration into your existing processes. With the bug work item selected, you'll need to start filling in some details. Start with the title. This should be a short, descriptive summary of the problem. Clarity here helps everyone understanding what the issue is at a glance. Next, you'll have the description, which is your opportunity to delve deeper. Provide comprehensive details of what went wrong, the expected behavior versus what actually happened, and include any steps needed to reproduce the problem. Precision in this section is invaluable as it guides developers directly to the heart of the issue. You also have the option to assign the bug to someone, specify an area path and iteration path, and determine the severity or priority if your particular process includes these elements. Although these fields may be optional, filling them can significantly enhance the management and resolution of the bug. Additionally, it is immensely beneficial to attach any supplementary materials like screenshots or logs, which can offer clarity and support in troubleshooting. After all necessary details are filled in, saving the work item will log it into the backlog or board, ready for your team to review, triage, and prioritize accordingly. A final, but equally important step is the potential to link this bug to other work items. This could be related features, user stories, code commits, or test cases. Doing this strengthens traceability and ensures everyone involved can see what components are affected by this issue. This concise yet comprehensive approach to raising a bug in Azure DevOps will streamline how you and your team manage and resolve issues, all owing to the robust infrastructure built within this powerful tool.